In this tutorial I'll show you how you can put a video in reverse on your Snapchat. First open your Snapchat app. And let's go to our camera. And let's record our video. To reverse it, just start swiping from the right side of the screen to the left. The filter's being applied to my video. Swipe until you can see a little reverse filter that looks like this. When you apply this filter, your Snapchat video will be reversed. Then save the video in your Snapchat gallery, or you can send it to your friends. That is how you can reverse videos in Snapchat.